Hi everyone, for today's video I wanted to try and play with using M.A.C Strobe Cream as a base for an eyeshadow look, so if that seems interesting to you, keep on watching. Okay, so I have a sample of M.A.C Strobe Cream. I'm pretty sure this is their original color. A little goes a long way of this, so I don't really need a lot. I don't know that I'd ever use the whole bottle, the whole full-size bottle, but I think it would be really fun to put this on your eye and sort of see how it looks as the light reflects on your eye look. So I'm going to try that today. And to start, I'm just going to take a little bit of the strobe cream on my finger and start patting that onto my eyelid. Little in the tear duct area. And I was worried that this was going to be a little too sticky or too slippery, but I could feel that it's drying down, which is really nice. I hope that it's buildable. So that's really fun. You can see as I move my eye into the sunlight that it reflects a little bit, and that's exactly what I wanted. I don't know that it's as buildable as I wanted it to be. I mean, it could be building up, but it is a pretty sheer product. Like, I didn't really rub it in on the back of my hand, but it's still pretty sheer. You can see my skin through it. So I think that's all we're going to get out of this product, which is fine. And now I'm going to go into the Anastasia Sultry palette. You could use whatever glittery eyeshadow palette you have, but I really like the colors in here. And I think to make this look, I'm going to use probably a combination of cider and rose quartz, which is the pink over here. So I'm just dipping a flat brush into cider. I'm going to start on my lower lash line, just like building up that glitter and bringing it out and up. I really like the eyeshadow looks that I see in magazines sometimes where it's like a 60s cut crease where the color is above your actual crease. And I kind of want this to catch the light as well. So instead of following my actual crease, I'm going to make a new one by adding this color on. I'm going to add some of the color onto my lash line to make a bit of a wing, and then I'm going to start patting where I want to build the crease. And I kind of like it when it doesn't wrap around and come down over here. I think I'm going to leave it straight-ish. Just going in with more color on the brush and a light touch to not blend out that glitter. Okay, I think I really like that. Now I'm debating if I want to go into the rose quartz and sort of take away what the strobe cream has done, or if I just want to dip into the lightest color, which is pearl, and sort of build this onto my inner corner and maybe follow the line up, maybe to meet like right under the brown. So I'm going to try that. I'm just using a more round, dense brush to deposit this product. I don't think using something too fluffy would do this color any good. Came on quite a lot stronger on the other side. Let me just try to build this up. Maybe if we put it a little more in here. Oh yeah, there we go. I hope the camera picked up on that. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. There we go. Okay. And I think I want to leave the strobe cream blank in the middle and on the brow bone, because I think the pinkiness in the strobe cream actually complements the pinkiness in the pearl really well. So I don't want to disturb that harmony. Oh, I love this so much. Okay. I think what I'm going to do now is just add a little bit of black to the lash line and probably add some lashes and mascara, and then I think I'll be done. I thought this look would look nice with some half lashes on the side, but I've decided that I don't really like it, and I'm just gonna go in with a second or third coat of M.A.C Stack mascara. Okay, so here's a close-up of the eye. You can see how the strobe cream and the glitter shadows are catching the light. Wow, this looks really weird on camera, sorry. Anyway, I like how that turned out. I'm super happy with all of the glitter and the shine in the light. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something today, and I hope this inspired you to play with makeup a little more often. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!